So to disable dark mode on your Samsung phone, simply swipe up and look for the settings icon and tap on it. That takes you to this settings page. On that settings page, scroll and find display, tap on that, and then at the top you will see dark mode and light mode on the left hand side. So simply select light mode, and that's going to enable light mode and henceforth disabling dark mode on your Samsung phone. Now once you do that, you can see everything is now in dark mode. Now in case dark mode was scheduled, then you can simply go to the dark mode settings and turn off this schedule, right? So it might be scheduled from a certain time to a certain time. So you just simply turn off that schedule, and now your phone will not have dark mode at any time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.